one of the R46s, F trains. And it's running via, all Brooklyn Mountain F trains are running via the A or the C from West 4th to Jay St Metrotech. Mom, our train.
This is 14th Street, transfer to the L, 1, 2, and 3 train. This is the Coney Island F train. The next stop will be West 4th Street. Step all the way in. Let the customers off so you can get on the train and stand clear to closing doors, please.
John, you want to sit down?
Please use all doors
Yes,
available.
this is the F.
Stand clear to closing doors, please.
14th Street. It's one of rare to get. It's pretty rare to get on these guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, West 4th is the next stop on this train. Due to construction, this F train will be running on the A line, making local stops till we get to Jay St Metrotech in Bklyn. Ladies and gentlemen, sorry for the inconvenience. Due to construction, next stop is West 4th Street. We will be running on the A line till we get to Jay St Metrotech in Bklyn. After West 4th is going to be Spring Street. If you need to go to Broadway Lafayette, 2nd Avenue, Delancey Street, East Broadway, you have to take this train to Jay St Metrotech in Bklyn, cross back over to the Manhattan bound side, take the F train back to make those stops. Sorry and have a good evening.
Or if you have to go to Broadway Lafayette, you could take the D1 stop, Dad. Yeah, people get off. Sorry.
This is West 4th Street, Washington Square, transfer to the A, C, E, and D trains. Ladies and gentlemen, because of construction, this F-bound Coney Island train will be running on the A line. The next stop will be Spring Street. If you need to go to Broadway Lafayette, 2nd Avenue, Delancey, or East Broadway, take this train into Bklyn and come back on the Manhattan-bound F train. Stand clear to closing doors, please.
I'm sitting down, Dad.
This is running on the A line. The next stop is Spring Street. Stand clear to closing doors, please.
A train over there.
Stand clear to closing doors, please.
There's an MTA employee who does not want him to see me videotaping. There's the elevator, which I filmed a few days ago.
Ladies and gentlemen, we want to apologize for the inconveniences. Please plan ahead. Weekends are normally days to do construction. We apologize for any delays and any inconveniences. The next stop will be Spring Street. This train is making all A local stops to Jay St Metrotech. Once again, if you need to go to East Broadway, Broadway Lafayette, 2nd Avenue, or Delancey Street, you have to take this train to Bklyn and Jay St Metrotech, cross back over to the Manhattan-bound side, catch the F train. That's the way that you can get to those stops. Sorry for any inconveniences. Thank you for riding with New York City Transit, and have a nice evening. The time is 3:22. 3:22 is the time. This is Spring Street. This is a Bklyn bound F train to Coney Island. Making local stops on the A line till we get to Jay St Metrotech. The next stop is Canal Street. Stand clear of the closing doors, please. Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety and convenience, please do not hold the doors. Please do not hold the doors. Do not stand in the doorway as the doors are closing, and please make room for other passengers by stepping to the side to let people on and off the train and use all doors available. Thank you for riding with New York City Transit again, and please keep your personal belongings in sight at all times. Watch out for pickpockets also. Good night. Ladies and gentlemen, at this time we are being delayed because of train traffic ahead. We will be moving shortly. Thank you for your patience. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, because of construction, we are running on the A line. We need to go to Broadway Lafayette, 2nd Avenue, the Lansing and 6th or East Broadway. Take this train to Jay St Metrotech, of course, back over to the Manhattan-bound F side, and it will make those stops. Sorry for the inconvenience again. Thank you for riding with New York City Transit.
You're welcome.
Canal Street is the next stop.
Yeah.